Searching for that desirable family home or possibly savvy investment opportunity? A near new home based in the heart of Gympie CBD. Welcome to number 10 Pandanus Street in Gympie. Within this ideal location, you are minutes to Gympie CBD, shopping centre, schools, and within the new coming highway upgrade, this will allow you to be central between Sunshine Coast and Rainbow Beach. An immaculately presented, open-plan, single-level brick home is set on a generous 804 square metre block. Offering 4 sizable bedrooms, 2 stunning bathrooms, with the master featuring walk-in robe and ensuite. The heart of the home is surrounded by open-plan dining, which is partnered with quality fixtures and finishes throughout. The home offers complete comfort with ceiling fans and air conditioning, powered by a 6.6 kilowatt system. The property also features a great 7x6 powered shed, allowing plenty of room for all of the toys. So if the search is over for the set and forget investment opportunity, then I look forward to seeing you at our first private inspection.